Hi, I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning, Miss Joy. May I have your room number, please?
Room 305.
Thank you. Kindly allow me a moment to pull you up your account. Okay, Miss Joy, I have your folio here. Before we finalize your checkout, I'd like to inform you that you still have an outstanding balance of 4,850 pesos.
Okay, what is that for?
Here's the breakdown, ma'am. 2-night standard room is 4,000 pesos. Breakfast buffet for 2 days included in room dining, which is the Madhouse sandwich. It costs 350 pesos. The laundry service, it costs 150 pesos. The total of 4,850 pesos.
Alright, I settled it.
Thank you, ma'am. May I know your preferred mode of payment? We accept cash, card, and GCash.
Card, please.
Okay, you may tap or insert your card here. Your payment approved. Here's your official receipt and your statement of account.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Your checkout has been successfully assistance with your luggage or transportation.
Mom.
Alright, ma'am. Thank you for staying with us at Sanadel. Have a safe trip and we hope to see you again.
Thank you.
You're welcome.